2. In this video, we are going to learn about adding rows to an exciting table, adding columns to one exciting table. Let's learn. First concept, adding rows to an exciting table. Students, in the previous class, we have learned about how to inserting a table in MS Word. Click where you want to insert the table. On the Insert tab, click on Table tool. Now I click Table tool. Now left click on the selected rows and columns. A table will be inserted in the workspace. Click inside the table and start typing. Students, I am going to type days of the week. Sunday, Monday, but I did mistake. I typed Wednesday. Next one, Thursday. What will come next? Friday. But I have typed Saturday. So we have to correct this mistake. So that I am going to add rows. To insert rows using the Layout tab in the Tables tools, the steps are: Step 1. Locate the position where you want to add the row. Step 2. Click the cell above or below which you want to insert the next row. Students, I click the cell below. Step 3. Locate Tables tools on the ribbon. Click on the Layout tab. Go to Rows and Columns group. You will see 4 options. Step 4. The first 2 options from the left, that is Insert Above and Insert Below, are for adding rows. Click on any one of these to add the row above or below the selected cell. Students, now I click Insert Above. Now you can see the difference on the screen. Now one row is added to an exciting table. Now you can type here, I want to type Tuesday. Students, you know that I did another one mistake. You can see this one, that is Friday is missing. So I am going to select this row. Students, now we are going to add row below the Thursday. So I am going to use Insert Below option. Let's see this one. Students, now I click Insert Below option. Now you can see this one. One row is added below the selected row. Now I type Friday in this row. Next we are going to see about adding columns to an exciting table. We can also add columns to the exciting table. To insert columns to an exciting table, the steps are: Step 1. Select the cell to the right or left where you would want to insert the new column by clicking on it. Now I select first cell. Step 2. Locate Tables tools on the ribbon. Click on Layout tab. Go to Rows and Columns group. 4 options are displayed. This is Tables tools. I click this one. Now you can see the Layout tab. I click Layout tab. You can see the 4 options on the screen. These are 4 options. First 2 options for adding rows. Next 2 options for inserting columns. The first 2 options from the right are for inserting columns. Step 3. Clicking on any of these to add the columns to the right or left of the selected cell. Now I click Insert Left. Now you can see the difference on the screen. Now you can see this one, the columns added. Now you can type numbers in this column. Next we are going to see about Insert Right. Now I select this cell. Now I am going to click Insert Right. Let's see this one. This is Insert Right. I click this one. You can see the difference on the screen. Now you will get, now the column is added to your selected cell. Students, in this video we have learnt about how to add rows and columns to an exciting table. Students, I hope this concept is easy to understand, easy to learn. Thank you, students.